Okay. Yes, madam. Okay, okay. He'll give you the date. Next, he'll give you the date. He'll- 46 and 47. Your father? You're the writ petitioner in 46. And you have got to file in which one? In which? In 47. You have for the private respondent. Number for Mr. T. Das, appearing for the respondent number 4 in WPC 4789/2024, is granted. Submits that he will be filing additional affidavit today. Yes. What about you? What are you are appearing for whom? Huh? Petitioner. Mr. A. Ahmed, appearing on behalf of the petitioner in WPC 4789/2024. Prays that the matter may be listed on 6th on 6th December. This is the matter of 6th December. Interim order to continue till the next day. Item 1 for motion. Heard Mr. S.K. Sinha, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the order dated 12/6/2024 passed in WPC 2752/2023 for processing the petitioner's bills, supply bills, have not been acted upon. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondent within 2 days. List the matter after 4 weeks. Item 2. Yes, who is appearing for the other side? Mr. B. Gogoi. Yes, Mr. Gogoi. Two, at two, at two. On the pair of Mr. B. Gogoi is the matter. No, at 2 o'clock. So used to dictating. Item 3. Item 3, yes. What is your right? Can you inherit a fair price shop license? It's only they can consider your case along with all eligible candidates as per the guidelines. That's all. But so what? Everyone can pay. Payment does not give you any right. So whoever pays the first will get the license, is it? Okay, Mr. Gogoi, accept obtain instruction. Miss, what is your name? Miss K. Bhattacharya, counsel for the petitioner, submits that that on the death of the petitioner's uncle, who was having the death of the petitioner's uncle on 8/1/24, who was running a fair price shop, the petitioner applied for the fair price shop license by submitting all the required fees. However, the petitioner's request for grant of the fair price shop license has been rejected by the respondents on due to invert comma some unavoidable circumstances, invert commas, while letters By letter dated 1/8/2024, issued by, no, by letters dated 1/8/2024, issued by the respondent number 4. Mr. K. Goy shall obtain instructions with regard to the above. Full stop. Next para. The petitioner shall also clarify as to what legal or fundamental right of his has been violated and whether. No, full stop. Before that, Mr. K. Goy shall obtain instructions informing this court as to the guidelines slash parameters to be followed in grant of a FPS license. Then next para, you write, the petitioner's counsel shall have to make submissions, shall have to clarify as to whether he has got any right to be granted the FPS license without considering the case of other persons. Full stop. This is the matter when this is the matter give after 2 weeks. What is to be done here? Okay, right. Heard, Mr. P. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits. The learned counsel for the petitioner, that is Tiwa, the autonomous counsel who submits that the petitioner has only been paid the first installment of his contract bills, amounting to rupees amounting to rupees 3 lakhs. The balance 2 lakhs has still to be paid. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr. S. Niyogi accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. This is the matter after 4 weeks to enable the respondents to obtain instructions and file affidavit. Then item 9, same amount. Same thing, same order, item 9. Okay. Tiwa autonomous.
Item 5.
You obtain instructions? Heard, Mr. A. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner's contractual dues have not been paid. Miss D. Jain, appearing for the Water Resource Department, shall obtain instructions with regard to the above. List the matter on 25. List the matter on 25. Along with 4728 of 2024. That's item
10, 13, 15, 17, 18, 19, 21.
You have contract for this. For lock, stock, and barrel.
Item 14.
What is your case? Huh? Has been running a vegetable wholesale market. The petitioner. Where's your eviction order? Where is your eviction order? There is nothing. Okay, so what is the challenge? Is so the huh? Thank you. And when was the building constructed? Ah, no, Mr. Council, please understand. When were you evicted? When were you evicted? According, you said yeah, 2 years back. So 2 years back means now it's November 2024. So you were evicted in November 2023, 2021, 2022. Is it? So you are evicted in November 2020, and then they built a new building. Correct? Then what happened? When did they complete the building? August 23, they completed the building. And then now is November, more than 1 year, 2 months. What were you doing for the last 14 months? Where have you said that? Where have you, huh? Then what happened? No, no. Let us see Mr. Kaushal, there's no point just shouting or, just pushing your own agenda. Please, there's some questions. Now, please read your prayer. So what is wrong with this? Or with this? So they're inviting applications from interested traders. Did you submit your application? Have you submitted the application? There is no question of, you were you were selling vegetables according to you. You were evicted. You have not challenged that. They have constructed a building. You have not challenged that. You have got no document to show that you are owner of a plot of land or something. Nothing is there. Now they have invited this applications from 2/9 to 2nd September 23. And now more than 1 year has passed. More than 1 year. What have you done? What are you doing now? You're not selling vegetables in the market. Huh? You see, Mr. Council, first of all, what is wrong with this notice? How can you claim that you should be given a room without payment of anything? Where is your right? No. Where have you said that? Where have you said that? Where have you said? Yes, para 7, yes. Yes. So right now you're already occupying the room. Huh? Temporarily. Yes, what is to be done, Mr. There's no case actually. Page? Ah, correct. They've got no right. Where have they set 5 lakhs? Where have they set 5 lakhs? That is just a submission made by you. You have not made an application. Where in this notice have they said that you have got to deposit 5 lakhs? Then that no. Huh? Mr. Council, what happens in there? What happens under the table? We don't know. In fact, they might be giving you 5 lakhs also. We don't know. They can say anything. You can say anything. That we cannot go into. Huh? First of all, you comply with this notice. You file an application for the thing. There is nothing here which says that 5 lakhs is required. Look, at least you see, you are saying that 5 lakhs. At least you should write in your writ petition. I have submitted the application, but they are not demanding 5 lakhs. But it is not your case. We will direct that the application form be, no, actually, what is it? Therefore, to obtain, obtain appropriate, we will direct that appropriate application form be given to you. As per the, as per the, as per the rate, which is the rate, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, I don't know. Correct. Probably that also. Huh. Correct. 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 No, we can say that if the rooms have not been, if the allotment rooms have not been done till date, and if that or if the exercise has not been completed, and if there are still some vacant rooms available, they can give it to them. Only on that, there's nothing else. But I don't think so. Probably they've allotted everything. So you obtain instructions then. Right. Right. Ha. Right. Heard, Mister? 80 Sarkar, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the petitioners were selling vegetables in the in uh, in the Lanka wholesale raw vegetable. No, in which market? Which market? Who is selling? No, that's not what you have said. Your writ petition, you have not said that. You said near Lanka cow market. You have said in running Lanka wholesale raw vegetable business. Correct. But you see, Mr. Counsel, you are not selling your vegetables in any market. You are selling your vegetables near Lanka cow market. You are not selling them in any recognized cow market, or in any recognized market. Wherever you said that you are selling, yeah, acha, okay. Second paragraph. In the Lanka also. Okay. Right. You've got to be very careful with words. Right. What have I said? The Lanka wholesale raw vegetable market for about 10 to 20 years. A very vast difference, 10 to 20 years. 10 to 20 years, full stop. The petitioners were evicted from their sheds around 2 years ago, and a new building was constructed therein, with assurance made to the petitioners that there would be allotted shops in the new building. Full stop. After completion of the new buildings, the petitioners have occupied their respective shops in the new building, and the petitioners were expecting formal allotment of the sheds. However, the petitioner has come to learn that the Lanka Municipal Board has issued the impugn notice dated 2/9/2023, calling for applications for allotment of a shed or allotment of a room to interested traders on the condition that while collecting rupees 5 lakhs for each application form. So, Full stop. The petitioner's counsel submits that the petitioner has not submitted any application in person to the notice dated 2/9/2023 due to the above. Full stop. Next para. Mr. K. Goy shall obtain instructions as to whether all the rooms in the newly constructed building has been allotted to interested traders and whether the petitioners are occupying any of the rooms in the new building. Full stop. Okay. What have I said? As a lot has, what have I said? Mr. K. Goy? Obtain instructions as to whether in terms of the notice dated, in person to the notice dated 2/9/2023. And whether full stop. Next para. On a perusal of the notice dated 2/9/2023, there is nothing stated therein showing that rupees 5 lakhs is to be given by the interested applicant to the Lanka Municipal Board. The petitioner will have to prove his allegation that 5 lakhs is being paid for the application forms. List the matter on when? When? Okay, second term.
Item 15.
Yes. This is a private dispute between you and the private respondent. They are co-patadar. Oh, then you go to civil court. You act upon his representation. Yes. Yes. Right. Heard, Mr. A. Islam Learned Counsel for the petitioner who submits that the respondent number 6 has been illegally running a private market called Gaspara Kumargati Sluice Gate Bazaar over the petitioner's private land, without any approval being obtained from the Gaon Panchayat or the government, as required under section 107 of the Assam Panchayat Act 1994. Full stop. Though the petitioner has submitted a representation dated 15/10/2024 to the District Commissioner Dubri with regard to the illegal running of the private market, no action has been taken by the respondent authorities till date. Full stop. He submits that the writ petition can be disposed of if a direction is issued to the District Commissioner Dubri to take a decision on the petitioner's representation dated 15/10/2024. Mr. S. Datta, appearing for the PNRD department, submits that he has got no objection to the prayer made by the petitioner's counsel. Full stop. Next. In view of the submissions made by the counsels for the parties, the District Commissioner Dubri is directed to take a decision on the petitioner's representation dated 15/10/2024 within a period of 1 month from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. Asha, before that you write, Mr. A. Islam appears for the petitioner, Mr. S.D. Datta appears for the PNRD department, while Mr. K. Goy appears for the District Commissioner Dubri. Your private dispute. He will decide your private dispute.
Item 20.
Actually, when you say other, you just say, instead of saying who above that, just say Mr. S. Datta for the penalty and Mr. K. Goy do not have any objection. Okay, no one appears for the petition on call. The present case relates to non-payment of contractual dues amounting to rupees 52,51, triple A. Issue notice returnable in 5 weeks. Mr. J. Handik accepts notice on behalf of 1, 2, and 4, while Ms. D. Jain appears for 3, 6, and 7. So, Mr. K. Goy accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 4. Respondent number 5. Huh? D. Jain for 1, 3, 6, and 7. D. Jain for 1, 3, 6, and 7. Mr. K. Goy for respondent number 4. 4 and 5. J. Handik for. Okay, he says 4. Who is 4? You can take 4. Then Mr. K. Goy for 5 only. Only 5, huh? And list the matter after 5 weeks to enable the respondents' counsels to file their affidavit.
23.
Is on the leg.
Item 24.
Okay, I heard Mr. A.K. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the petitioner has not been paid his vehicle hire charges amounting to rupees 8,05,640. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr. K. Gogoi accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. List the matter after 4 weeks to enable the respondents to file their affidavit. And the next one will be 753,302. 753,302. 25. Notice issued. Notice issued. Okay, right, Mr. D. Chakrabarti appears for the petition. Instead of saying no one appears, Mr. D. Chakrabarti. No, no, no.
Please make the party item 26.
Heard, miss? Any objection? Heard, huh? What do you want, madam? Loud, loud, tell me. No, no, not being allowed, unless you argue, unless you make submission. Yes, huh? Louder. Yes, senior is on legs in another court. What is your name? R. Begum. Heard, Miss R. Begum, learned counsel for the applicant. Who is for the petitioner here? Learned counsel for the applicant who submits that Mr. Amrit Sarkar, son of so resident so all this, yeah, should be pleaded as respondent number 4. Mr. M.K. Mushari, R.K. Mushari, appearing for the BTC, submits that he has got no objection to the application being allowed. No one appears for the writ petition. Yes. You are for whom? For the writ petitioner. Aye. Then this lady is for whom? You both of you are there. Who is your senior? Name. Huh? Huh? What? S.G. Roy. And your senior is? Huh? Y.S. Mannan. Okay, you're for the writ petitioner, not applicant. Both of you are standing together also. You all are good friends. Anyway, let us wait for them. They are seniors, both of them are.
7.
Okay, heard Mr. B.C. Mushahari. Any relation to R.K. Mushahari? Huh? Huh? Your brother? Real brother? Huh? Own brother? Own brother? Good friend also? What do you mean? Huh? No, no. Country cousin. Country cousin. Huh? Standing council BTC. No relation. Anyway. Right. Heard Mr. Uh, B.C. Mushahari, learned counsel for the applicant, who submits that Mr. Akash Deep, Principal Secretary, the BTC, so and so, address should be treated as respondent number 6. Number 3, who is appearing for the other side? No one. The prayer of the applicant's counsel is allowed. Applicant to submit a corrected cost title to the registry within a week. No, within 2 days only. Within 2 days. Within 2 days. Uh, the application is accordingly allowed and disposed of. Then in the main case, you write, in view of the order dated, today is 12, 13, 13/11/2024, passed in IAC 3384 of 2024. So and so is implemented as respond number 3. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 3 by a registered post with AD within 2 days. List the matter after 4 weeks.
28.
Same, same.
Then 29 for admission.
So you're claiming how much out here? 5 lakh something. No, but as per the affidavit, they said that it cannot be processed. Correct. In this petition, they said that. In this case, they have said that due to arbitration proceedings, they cannot make the payment. Okay. Huh? Maybe, but was it approved, the subcontract? This arbitration proceeding is between who and you, and with regard to the payment, with regard to payments. So you are subject, so he's vicariously liable. Already been paid. No, wait. Let us see what is the affidavit. What does the affidavit say? Affidavit on behalf of the respondents 2, 3, 4, and 5. Have you said out here that you have paid the amount? Huh? No, Mr. Counsel, I'm not on that. As per your affidavit, Your affidavit does not say that it has been paid, correct? Out here it has said that it could not be processed due to arbitration. Now subsequently you have paid. For a third payment. Huh?
Municipal.
6/3/2020.
They could not find it at Civic. Now they have found out how to change this taxes without anything. That's the
No, can you file an affidavit saying that you have paid? Let him. Look, that opportunity had been given to you earlier also on 23/10. You have not filed it. But no, in the last order it is mentioned. 13/10/24 has been mentioned. Why are you not filing? Okay, right. Mr. MC Das, Learned Senior Counsel, for the response number 2, 3, 4, and 5. He is granted one final chance to file affidavit with regard to the letter dated 13/10/2024, which states that the third payment of rupees 5,86,993 has been made to the petitioner. The affidavit should be filed within 10 days. List the matter on.
Item 30.
Have you got a copy? You don't even have one. You don't even have for the. So you have admitted the amount. And this 1 lakh is a sanctioned in August. You have not paid till now. What is to be done, madam? So we dispose of the case. Right. Heard Mr. Huh? T. Chetri, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. S. Kemprai, learned counsel for the KAC. The petitioner. Out here, he is only admitted to, they've admitted to 4,82,000. So let them file an affidavit then. Okay. Right, so, right. Ms. S. Kemprai has submitted a letter dated 28/8/2024 issued by the Executive Engineer PHE D4 Rural, WS Division, which is to the effect that out of the total outstanding liabilities of the petitioner amounting to rupees 4,82,905, the respondents have sanctioned an amount of rupees 1 lakh by sanction order dated 20/08/2024, which will be disbursed to the petition. Was the further a demand to cover the remaining amount of 3,82,905 would be submitted to the authority in a timely manner, and the sanctioned amount will be paid accordingly. Ms. S. Kemprai shall file the said letter dated 28/8/2024 in the form of an affidavit within a week. Okay, right? Okay, within 10 days. Within 10 days. You at least the matter on. We'll dispose it off. We want it because at least that you won't run away from that 4 lakhs also. Page 4. Huh? Page 11. 4, 5, 6 has been paid. Not paid. 1, 2, 3, and 7 are paid. So, how much is the balance still to be paid? 123. Ministry of Jal Shakti and Brahmaputra Board. Okay, right. Miss F. Intas, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that out of the total contractual dues payable to the petitioner amounting to rupees 11,13,642, the petitioner has been paid some amount, and the balance due payable to the petitioner is 4,87,123. Next para, Ms. DJ, on the other hand, submits that the funds are to be received from the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Union of India, Government of India. Accordingly, the Ministry of Jal Shakti and the Brahmaputra Board would have to be implemented as parties to the case. List the matter after 2 weeks. You can file application in the meantime. Then we can dispose of. You file, no? Then you file it tomorrow. Supposing I fix it, how will that, on the day you file it, then it will be taken now. It's easier. So the faster you file, the better for you.
32 and 33.
Why should new proposal be made? Why should it be? Why can't the same proposal be moved again? What what will the new proposal entail? Will it affect a change in the earlier proposal? So what? So what? So the new proposal will be slightly different than the earlier proposal. The same proposal. That's why you move it again. In government parlance or in government works, there is no need. You can move it again also. 2 times, 3 times. It happens. But then who is for the finance department? Are the finance party here? Yes, why did you reject the proposal of the government? Where is the rejection letter from the finance department? You can follow up. In the meantime, you produce the document. Miss G. Borala, Council for the Agriculture Department. You see, the problem is you are only submitting letters one after the other. And this letter has no date. What is the date? You're playing around with the court. You see, all communications have a date. Now, this one has conspicuously that has no date. Should we call the Joint Secretary here to explain why he has made a document without any date? Ms. G. Bora, Learned Counsel for the Agriculture Department, has submitted a letter dated nil, issued by the Joint Secretary of the Government of Assam Agriculture Department, stating that the supplementary demand for rupees 521.8172 lakhs had not been approved. No, had been sent to the finance department for approval, but no approval has been received from the finance department. Ms. G. Bora shall find out the date of the letter nil and also inquire as to the status of the supplementary demand sent to the finance department. Also, Mr. A. Chalia shall also obtain instructions as to why the finance department has not approved the supplementary demand made by the Director of Agriculture till date. The letter dated nil is made a part of the record and marked as Annexure X. List the matter on. When? Give a date.
Thirty-four.
So you are claiming 44, but they have said that 7 something has been paid. So that has been paid or not? That has been paid. That you are not denying. So this 35, 21, 48, this is the claimed amount now, as on it. Okay, right. Heard Miss B. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. as well as Mr. K. Gogoi, learned counsel for all the respondents. Full stop. Okay. Order dated 6/10/2023. Take the second paragraph, okay? So this 7 lakhs was paid during the pendency of the writ petition. Okay, next para, you're right. The petitioner's counsel submits, para 3, petitioner's counsel submits that during the pendency of the writ petition, the petitioner has been paid rupees 7, 10, 325. And as such, the balance amount payable to the petitioner is 35, 21, 458. Next para. Mr. K. Gogoi, appearing for the respondent, submits that in terms of the affidavit filed by the respondent number 3, the petitioner is to be given the outstanding balance amount of rupees 35, 21, 458. Full stop. I have heard the learned counsel for the parties. The extract of para 4 of the affidavit in a position filed by the respondent number 3 is to the following effect. Page 57 to page 58. Next para. In view of the respondents admitting that they are liable to pay to the petitioner rupees 35, 21, 458, which has been sent to the office of the DGP Assam for according sanction and allotment of fund, the respondents are directed to pay to the petitioner the admitted amount within a period of 4 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. The writ petition is accordingly disposed of.
35.
Yes. Let them file their affidavit. Mr. B. Chowdhury, the standing counsel for the Agriculture Department, is granted a further what? Granted a further 2 weeks time to file affidavit in the petition. This is the matter of 29th. Okay, this is the matter on 29th.
36.
What is this? I know deed writer's license. Yes. Whether those inquiry report was given to him or not. That is the issue. Mr. M. Chetia, learned counsel for the 1 and 2. 1 to 7. For everyone, that means. For 3 to 7, submit. No, please for some more time to obtain the official record. Mr. J. Handing appears for respondents number 1 and 2. And this is the matter. Give a date. on which date on which date the respondents number 4 to 7, 3 to 7 shall produce the records.
37.
Yes, who is appearing? Miss P. Sharma, appearing for the petitioner, is granted 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 5 and 6. This is the matter after 3 weeks.
38.
Yes. Mr. R.S. Ronghan, Learned Counsel for the BTC, KAC, is granted 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Same order in the next case also. 39 also same case, same order. Give a date. Give a date in both 38, 39.
Supplementary admission 49.
Ah. This. Okay. Yeah, for? Okay. Miss M. Burman, on behalf of Miss A. Gyan, learned CGC, submits that parawise comments have been received, and as such, submits that instructions have been received, and as such, as such, the respondent, the Union of India and the Brahmaputra board shall file their affidavit within 2 weeks. List the matter on, give a date. 50 also same? 50 also instructions received? The 50 also same.
Then 40 orders.
Yes. The council, you keep on making something or the other. Somehow, it has been sent to the finance department for approval. Where is that? Mr. N. Upadhyay, Mr. N. Upadhyay, learned counsel for the respondent number 8 and 10 submits that the proposal for payment of the petitioner's dues has been sent to the finance department. On 12/7/2024 for an amount of rupees 7,04,584. Accordingly, list this matter on, give a date. Huh? Okay, who is the finance department? List this matter on dash, huh? Me, huh? Who is?
59. 41.
Mr. Nayak, you are for finance department also? Okay, in this item 40, who is the counsel? P. Nayak, yes, you are there. Contempt. You see, he has sent, they have sent this proposal for approval for payment to finance. Did you write in the item 40, Mr. P. Nayak, counsel for the respondent number 2 and 6 shall obtain instructions with the proposal sent by the uh, irrigation department for payment of dues of the petition. Yes. Then item 41. That's what you said last time also. Chirang District Water Source. So you have made sanction order for 1 and 2. So when will his turn come? How long will they have to wait? When do we list this matter again? Okay, right. Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 2 submits that the Water Resource Department, Chirang District, has already issued 2 sanction orders for payment of contractual dues. The petitioner, being at serial number 7, will be receiving his due shortly. Accordingly, list this matter on. Give a date. Yes. 6/12.
42 to 44.
Hopefully, he'll be there. We all want a cup of tea. So I think not me, actually you actually. Yeah. It's a problem. It's a problem, these type of cases everywhere. What to do? Item? Yes. They'll have washed your hands. So they work during that period. Then even if it's closed, your dues to remain. New head. When will they, where is the initiation of that making of a new head? Page number 28. 20. Affidavit of respondent number 2. I've got your affidavit is only till page 25. It's in contempt case number 780. Page 25. Okay. Page 25, okay. Is it the same? Is it the same annexure? Same. Same. Okay, right. The matter pertains to non-payment of contractual dues for construction of individual household latrines under the total sanitation campaign scheme bracket TSC right close at Khagarijan Gaon Panchayat under Lamding bracket PHE subdivision. In all, same thing, huh? In all, same. This court, White order dated 19/6/2023, passed in the connected writ petitions, one of them being WPC 6161 of 2022, had directed the chief engineer, PHE, to inquire into the claim of the petitioners and directing that payment should be made if the claim was found to be true. Full stop. Next para. The affidavit the affidavit filed by the respondent number 2 is to the effect that the total sanitation campaign bracket TSC was for the period from 1999 to 2012. As the said TSC program was closed after 2012, there is no fund available to pay to the petition under the said program, under the said closed program. Accordingly, the Undersecretary to the Government of Assam, Public Health Engineering Department, has issued a letter to the Undersecretary, no, to the Chief Engineer, bracket PHE, Sanitation, Assam, requesting him to initiate the payment process for the completed work by creating a new head of account. The letter also states that this has the approval of the competent authority in the PHE department. Next para. Ms. M. Kalita shall obtain instructions with regard to. Acha. Chief Engineer is the party here. You're the counsel for Chief Engineer, sir. Anyway, Ms. M. Kalita shall obtain the up-to-date status report with regard to the letter dated 26/9/2024. She also submits that the respondent number that the respondent that is Mr. Dibya Jyoti Dawara, she PHE, has retired, and in his place one Mr. one Mrs. So has now been posted as Chief Engineer PHE. Then you file an application for implement of that person. Mr. Counsel, let me see. There is no IA pleading. Let me see the IA disposed of in 780. Yes, it's in 780. In 780, who is the IA? Who is the person who has been impleaded? No, this is Sri Nipendra Sharma. So she's saying that now it's a lady. It's Sri Nipendra Sharma. Okay. Okay, then what have I said? No, cut that. Ms. M. Kalita shall also obtain instructions from the respondent, Sri Nipendra Sharma, as to whether the new head of account has been created, and if so, the document pertaining to the same should be produced on the next day. List the matter on. Same order in all the case. It will be a common order.
55.
Huh? 11/9/2024, yes. Oh. Okay, so you are very first part. Good. Mr. A. Gogoi submits that he will be filing Wakalatnama on behalf of respondent number 4 within during the course of the day. So, you submit your affidavit. He will give today. Wait, you are appearing for 4 only or for others? Who is appearing for 1 to 3? Are you filing anything, Mr. Chetia? No. I am recording it, Mr. Chetia. Huh? I will grant, but I asked him whether he wants to file. He said, did not file him. That much I understand. But please answer the question. I'm asking you whether you want to have ice cream or chocolate. You're saying that you want to have tandoori chicken. That's not an answer. Okay. Okay. So you want time. Okay, then Mr. M. Chetia appearing for the respondents number 1 to 3 and 5 submits that he has not received instructions and needs further time to obtain instructions and file affidavit, if necessary. Accordingly, Miss B. Hazarika, E. Hazarika, P. Hazarika submits that affidavit has been filed on behalf of the respondent number 6. The other respondents are accordingly granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. This is the matter after 3 weeks. It has, oh, interim order not extended at all for a number of, huh? Okay, interim order to continue till the next week.
48.
Huh? You have to start from the very beginning. Who is the writ petitioner? You're the writ petitioner. Tell me, what is the case? NIT was issued. Let's start from the day you were born and what happened. NIT was issued when? Page 19, settlement order. Order dated 2018. Wait. Just are you on the writ petition? Huh? Huh? Correct. Yes. Page. Page.
Very
18/12/2018. Acha, wait. This call. This call. I've got to go out. Just 1 minute. Yes. Two bills. Just a minute. Um, just 2 minutes. I've got to make some. Where is the forest department? So can you call them? Because I don't want to start a hearing where then they say that we're not ready. I don't want to keep do things in piecemeal. If I do, then it should be completed. Otherwise, what about you? Embankment? I just want to know if we can dispose it off or not. Otherwise, I don't want to do it halfway. Anyway, so handing over taking over possession of fishery was given by this page 22, correct? Page? There are six. Okay, now this Saru Dolpani Bhil, out here you're saying Dalpaliali Bhil dash Saru Dolpani. What does it mean? Is it say one name or two different bills? What is this? Dal Payali bill. Ah. No, Dal Pali and Saru Dal Pani are same. It's the same bill. Two parts. Okay, so this is two bills in a way. Two bills in one. Two bills in one. Big Dal Pani bill is Big Dal Pani bill is separate. Big Dal Pani is separate. So there will be some landmass in between, no? Huh? You got Saru Dal Pani is here and Dangar Dal no, Dangar Dal Pani. Dangar Dal Pani. But this Dangar Dal Pani is not written here. It's in a para 6, it is not here. Correct, but in acha, Big Dal Pani. Big Dal Pani and Saru Dal Pani. Now this Saru Dal Pani includes Dal Payali bill.
Yes.
It includes. So Dal Payali bill dash Saru Dal Pani is one bill. They are all separate bills. No,
Yes.
no. Please look at the third line of para 6. Huh? Just a minute. Just let me clarify this. There is a Nadwar Meen Mahal. Correct. Now Meen Mahal includes Payali bill dash Saru Dal Pani. Now this Dal Payali bill dash Saru Dal Pani is one bill. One bill. So it has got two different names or it's one name. Okay. Okay, it is one one big, one small. No, it is no, it's okay. So it includes basically three bills. Only three bills are there in this Nadwar Myanmar. So there's Dal Payali bill Saru Dal Pani, number one. Then Big Dal Pani is number two. Then Pukharia bill is number three. Okay. Okay. But where is the Pukharia bill? That is not here. Which one is it? Between them. Okay. Between what about this? What about this small thing? What is that? What is bill is that? This one, there's no name out here. No. This big blue. There's a blue sketch. You see this one. You see one is this. This is a big. This one is the Saru Dal Pani. This is the Damar Dal Pani. Now there is another one here. No name. No name. No, drain is here. Drain is separate. Bill. This is not connected with your bill. Not connected with Nadwar Min Mahal. Huh? Anyway, this is something just trying to explain. Anyway, then. Correct 7, yes. Yes.
quality and equal quality, so that economic development committee. The regional I detailed certificated 28 types of festival. Certified there, work of connecting the company to company with the company and take and ensure implemented and then the all interest of the paid of a or before the deployment they extend apart from going full for having the money they are they extend their they are my they are my I they I may represent from 20 to 9 the backlog and not already. We understand that product is ordered by that bill. Our benefit that the embarked practice by the would be demoed ideally hospital and the computer order that will come and put bill system. And thereafter, I will pay that I look that the delegator of the side of the taking connect completely to some our particular different they both something and the current priority order is there. It's for us to do something. That permission and get go to the keep those something something about those something it's a private and the difference is for that by can be moving diagram. And here are some items. It is technical rating. Given a data from 99. Incorrectly table subject and reference time we want to take. If normal report has been to normal with the then you are able to correct and it's able to it's to company and award of 5% spread. Extra agreement expert into Twitter and important. For the and I love about like again for and they are they might have they can close and then my we have to honor this people in society program. They are for taking Deciding besides social party. Under the minimum of that is gives portion of the seats of period. Other book, people of Nepali community that start out are all the gives of the practice. And actually, and about and thereafter I learned order was by instruction officer, order was by the or by the will.
Where do you get the date? Where do you get the date 26/4/23? Okay, okay.
And the party in part of God, but it did not say God, God was upper one, just that is like good, but I think that in order to it's not our it's not for the often the fun environment of the field is not the water.
This band is, it's in the Assamese language or what is it?
It's apart.
Band. In Assamese language is ban. Huh? Dalmohan Chetri? What? Huh? Okay. The contractor. Okay.
Environment of the field is of the flow of water and it
Hello, then?
as the farm will be open on 5/23, all in presence of able to the person. And also that all the persons present in the discussion are requested to remain present at the state. Again, but they don't eat one of their again, I for the to the people. and here of the management. So thereby, every put on the very of the office, the bar, and there are some kind of activity.
Who is respondent number two?
Either I
Yeah.
or flow of water into through those was moved and or lack of water is being was apparently affected that it is not from that. Then the difference is that the area of the state environment was concerned was the study and the institute. With the of the habitat was expert for habitat was expert for removal of block of the to block of are considered domain of now then the different the data was not from the government idea by or by government has for removal of the environment of five and for water direct by the so as per you was the area of the man and definitive and they are almost better
Yes, you see one thing out here. At para 7, in the fifth line, steps were taken for removal of the embankment on 5/6/2024, as per the order direction of the Honorable Guwahati High Court, dated 26/6/2024. Where is this 26/6/2024? Huh? 38. 38. There's no 38 order. Acha, it's in the IA or? In the bench. Yeah. Where is that? Where is that direction to open the bund? I'm not on that. You see, paragraph at page 11, at para 7 of the affidavit of the DC, it says that the steps were taken for removal of the embankment on 5/6/24 As per order direction of the Honorable Guwahati High Court by the DC as reported by the DC. By letter dated 26/6/2024. Where is this 26/6/2024? Where is this document? These documents? Because they are saying that the High Court had directed. I want to see where is the letter? Who is for the forest? So are your instructions are forthcoming? Forthcoming when? That is why in the beginning I had said, unless you all are ready, I don't want to take up this hearing. Because otherwise I'll hear all of you at length and then at the end of the day I can't dispose of. We're all wasting time this way. You see, madam, because I am ready. I've got nothing, a few matters only are left. I'm ready to dispose. That's why we are fixed today also. Actually on the last date. What to do? Yes. Petitioners council. No, no, what matter? Yeah, he will not take long. I, so basically your case is that so you have been given settlement. The embankment was made after the settlement was made. And then the forest had undertaken to remove the embankment. They have not been able to remove the due to the public persons blocking the thing. What beneficiary? Beneficiary? Huh? No, but the bund was constructed after the settlement was made. But with a view to demolish their embankment subsequently after the work was done. He admitted what position? Correct, but for the purpose of development of that fishery. No, no, but he says it's for development of this Saru Dalpani. So once the Saru Dalpani was developed or made better, then the embankment was supposed to be was supposed to be removed. Okay. No, no, Pathat, I will not keep. No, no, no. I've kept too many matters, Pathat. Tuesday. Okay. Anyway, right. Miss M. Kalita, Land Council for the Forest Department submits that she will be receiving the instructions from the Forest Department today, tomorrow. Uh, she accordingly prays for adjournment. Yes. List on the prayer of Mr. Uh, R.P. Sharma, Learned Counsel, Senior Counsel for the applicant in IS Civil 2436 of 2024. List the matter on 21. No, 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 no. No, I'm not. What? No, no, no.
Time being item 23.
No, no. I've got too many matters, Pathak. I cannot. It's like a sword hanging over my head. It's the no, no. Next. Yes. Yes, Mr. Bora, what is it? This is item 23. This is a- Associate Planner, Guwahati Municipal Corporation. Registry to reflect Standing Council Forest in the causes. Huh? Oh. Yes. Th- These are not the private dispute, Mr. Council. These are not a private dispute. Correct. He cannot represent the officers. You've got to make them parties. You have to make best to make the state of Assam a party. Yeah. State of Assam represented by the secretary so and so to what is the Department of Housing and Urban Development. Then number two, you make GMC, GMDA, and you put these officers. Otherwise, difficult. So, what do you want to do? You want to withdraw with liberty or you want to file amendment petition? Then you file, then we have to allow, then you're going to file amended writ petition. Then whenever you file your application, we cannot fix it like that. Everything will have to be done separately. It will take longer for you. It'll be easier for you to withdraw and file because what will happen is you'll withdraw, you'll file an amended application. That has to be allowed. Then you have to file an amended writ petition, amended cost title with then only it will be done. So it will take some time. But he it's okay. Mr. K. Biswakarma, learned counsel for the petitioner, prays that he may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition with liberty to file afresh. Prayers allowed. Writ petition is dismissed as withdrawn, with liberty as paid for. Next. Office F2. Your father? Any objection? Okay. Okay, right. Heard, Mr. S.D. Roy appearing for the applicant, who prays that the applicant, who is the applicant? Who is the Amrit Sarkar. Amrit Sarkar, so it's here, huh? Yeah, it is here. In red, I put. I should be implemented as respondent number 4. Mr. Y.S. Manan, learned counsel for the writ petition, submit that he has got no objection to the application being allowed. Full stop. In view of the consent of the parties, Mr. Amrit Sarkar, also is implemented as respondent number 4. Applicant to submit a certified copy, a corrected copy of the cost title, or we should, to the registry within 2 days, within a week. Uh, then I is accordingly allowed and disposed of. Now you write in the main case. In view of the order dated 13/11/2024, passed in IAC 3354 of 2024. Mr. Spencer is implemented as respondent number 4. Issue notice to the respondent number 4. Oh, no. Mr. S.D. Roy accepts, appears on behalf of the respondent number 4 and is granted. How much time? Is grant. Huh? I know it's too much. What is this? You are appearing only to take time. Is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit in a police. List the matter on. Give it. Timing item 2. Huh? 7 December. Okay, 9 December. Timing item 2. What to do, Mr. Hawk? You go and catch him by the scruff of his neck and bring him here. Why are you not being given the work order? 15 March. Correct. But I never communicate. Huh? 20 August. Ha. Then he came to know. We don't know what's happening. No. Why? It's a small issue. Either they don't want to give you, or they have to give you. Acha. Yes, the performance security. When was performance security given? 21/8, 2024. Yes. Very small issue. Here for the PWD also. Here for the finance. Only finance. I thought. So you all are appearing departmental wise, so correct? So you all appear separately by the departments. How? When? When will you give the info? When will we listen? On the prayer of Mr. B. Gogoi, who submits that the respondents are contemplating cancelling the NIT, the tender process. List the matter on Wednesday. Let's see what happens. Why? Right?